I will react to SNL movie, The New Chef. Here we go.
Junior, your grilled cheese is ready!
Oh man, I love grilled cheese. Chef, it's on fire!
Duh, how do you think I grilled it, idiot?
Chef, I can't eat it, it's too hot.
Well, just blow it. You know when food is hot, you blow it.
I wish girls thought I was hot food.
Junior, just eat your grilled cheese, God!
Then they wouldn't eat you.
I guess I just won't eat tonight since Chef Baby burned my food again. I really wish somebody could teach Chef Baby how to cook.
Hey, idiots!
I can.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Do you have someone at home that thinks they know how to cook? Are they really bad at cooking? Well, hire me and I'll come tell them that they are absolutely trash at cooking. Might teach them a thing or two.
Ooh, I should hire that guy to teach Chef Baby how to cook. Oh, I'm gonna call him right now.
Okay, let me add a couple of eggs. Wait, I can juggle these. Oh, they slipped.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
No, don't talk to me, Junior. You didn't even eat your grilled cheese sandwich, and you almost burned the house down.
Me? No, you're the one that turned the grilled cheese on fire.
Wait, if you would have just ate your sandwich, the fire would have went out.
Well, Chef Pee-Pee, have you ever thought about taking cooking lessons?
I thought about giving lessons. I'm a perfect chef. People should take lessons from me every day.
No, I meant like getting cooking lessons, like someone teach you how to cook.
Wait, why would somebody teach me how to cook? I'm perfect.
No, you're not, Chef Pee-Pee. You're really bad at cooking.
Wait, I'm not bad at cooking. I'm a god at cooking. Look, I came out of my mom's womb cooking. I was in her stomach with a spatula, or whatever she's sticking up there.
Well, Chef Pee-Pee, look,
Junior,
I hired someone to give you cooking lessons.
Wait, give me cooking lessons? Oh, I'll be giving them the cooking lessons. Who is it, Chef Boyardee? He wish he could be me.
Well, no, it's someone you probably know. Ooh, that's them right now. I'll go answer the door.
Whatever, go get your little friend.
Hello?
What are you supposed to be?
A turtle, I think.
A turtle? You've got to be the fattest turtle I've ever seen. Go eat a Snickers, chunky boy. On second thought, maybe I could chop you up into a nice turtle soup. Or maybe you'd compliment a nice tomato bisque with some coriander and basil. Delicious.
Well, no, I didn't hire you to cook me. I hired you to teach my friend how to cook.
Well, get out of the bloody way and show me to the kitchen, fat boy.
Okay.
It's almost done.
All right, he's in here.
Jesus Christ! Bend me over and check my rectal temperature. What in God's name's going on here?
Oh my God! Gordon Ramsay? You're in my house, in my kitchen? Wait, what are you doing here?
Well, I feel like I'm in a nightmare, and I'm Freddy Krueger, and that's worse than the Hiroshima bombing. What in God's name are you trying to make?
Well, I was making macaroni noodles with a side of egg and marinara sauce.
Chunky turtle boy, punch me in the gonads.
Okay.
Oh, I needed
that?
Oh. All right, what's your name?
That was just a tap.
Chef Penis, get over here.
Wait, no, it's Chef Pee-Pee.
I didn't stutter. Chef Penis, get over here now.
Okay, what do you want?
You are bloody disgraceful.
Ow, wait, why are you hitting me?
Gosh,
Is this raw egg all over your stove?
Yes?
That's a salmonella breeding ground. And how long has this bloody bottle been out?
It's been out for a couple of days.
3 bloody days. You're disgraceful, Penis. You're gonna get a body hazard suit on, and you're gonna clean this kitchen top to bottom, and then you're gonna burn it down, and then we're gonna rebuild it from scratch. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to cook something edible. Disgraceful.
Okay. Is this clean enough?
No, but I ain't got all night, and you need to learn how to cook badly. Hey, fat boy.
Yeah?
What's something you want to eat tonight?
A cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Do you think you can handle a burger?
Well, you want me to cook it, like, right now?
Duh! What do you think? You're stupid? Are you dumb? Get to it!
Okay, and done. Oh, Gordon, it's ready!
I don't want to hear my name come out of your disgusting mouth, Penis!
But it's ready.
Alright, let's have a look. Jesus Christ! Is that my cremated grandmother? Grandma, is that you? Dirty old hag.
What? No, it's not your grandmother. It's the burger that you asked me to make for Junior.
Are you sure? You sure it's not a hockey puck?
Not being
hockey puck?
racist.
Yeah, you be the goalie, and I'll be the shooter. I'll teach you for bullying me.
Wait, why did you do that?
Move aside, Penis, and let me show you how it's done. All right, Tubby, here's your burger. What in God's name is this?
Oh, it's the grilled cheese Chef Pee-Pee made me earlier.
Chef Wienerhead, get in here!
I assume you were talking to me?
Yeah, why don't you take some advice and buy a ticket to Hawaii and go Pop back in the volcano where you got it from.
It's not a rock. It's supposed to be a grilled cheese sandwich.
Supposed to be, and you're supposed to be a chef. So why don't you belong? Take that, dig a hole 6 feet under, and bury that in there along with your career.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Anyway, Fatso, here's your burger.
Is it good?
Is it good? This is a half-pound Wagyu beef patty with freshly made Wisconsin cheddar, with freshly chopped romaine
looks
hearts,
like a
vine-ripe
Whopper
tomatoes
from
on a
Burger
brioche
King.
bun. And you're asking me if it's good. I once served this to the Queen of England. So if it's not good, I'll chop my left leg off.
All right, I'll try it. All right. This is the greatest thing I've ever eaten.
It's like from SpongeBob.
Chef What is that ungodly noise?
Chef BB, where's my dinner?
Oh, good Lord, an even fatter turtle.
Wait, who are you?
I'm the guy trying to make your chef a better cook.
Oh, thank God. About time.
Dad, you have to let him cook for you. He's amazing.
Wait, really?
Yeah, let me go whip something up for you.
Okay.
All right, here you are.
Oh my God, this looks delicious.
What I've prepared for you this evening is a nice
gravy on
fillet of beef
potato.
with mature feline emesis, paired beautifully with a nice
I
fresh
love
Maine
vegetables.
lobster tail
I
with
can't
red
stop
crayon
eating
shavings
vegetables.
and broccolini.
Oh, wow, this actually looks edible.
It is, Dad.
Wait, it is?
Yes.
It is edible?
It is.
Wait, I can actually eat this and not get sick.
You can.
Oh my gosh, Chef BB never made anything that's edible. You know what? You're hired and he's fired.
Well, I wasn't necessarily looking for a job.
Too late. You already got the job.
Dad, you're really gonna fire Chef Pee-Pee?
Oh yeah, watch me. Gordon Ramsay thinks my cookie's so bad. It's not that bad. Chef BB! What do you want, Bowser? Oh, you're fired. Wait, why do you sound like that? Well, look, Chef BB, you're fired. Wait, why am I fired? Because that new Chef BB over there can cook way better than you. His food is actually edible. Wait, edible? You can actually eat it? Yes, he can actually eat it. Look, I didn't think it was possible until he started cooking up some stuff. So get out of here, scram. You can't cook. Okay. Oh, Chef BB, this is the last time you'll ever see this house. I guess it's time to say my final goodbyes. Goodbye, house. Ow! Bowser, what was that for? You know what? I hate this house. I'm never coming back.
What's wrong, Dad?
Oh, Junior, the deed is done.
You fired Chef Pee-Pee?
I took him out back and I shot him just like old Yeller.
Oh, poor Chef Pee-Pee. I mean,
yeah.
it was his time to be put down.
Oh, yeah, it was.
We got a good couple years out of him.
He was a good dog. He was a good dog.
Yeah, he was. Well,
never
I mean, now we can
forget
actually
this
eat edible food.
I know, right?
Now, I'll never get tired of this food.
Me either.
Let's eat.
They share eating the same food.
Grab the remote.
He got fat.
I just farted pretty good.
All right, you fat sack of lard. There's some more lobster tails. Now eat up.
Mr. Ramsey, I don't want any more lobster tails.
You don't want any more lobster tails? I've never heard of such nonsense. Now eat your lobster tails.
Can I please have something
Okay, now he's
different?
forcing him to
All
eat.
right. Well, here's a blooming onion.
Do you ever make anything
Okay,
bad?
now it's gonna get
No,
to the
everything
point
I
where they
make's
want Chef
delicious.
Pee-Pee back.
Well, can I have a Happy Meal or something?
A Happy Meal? What nonsense! I would never put that toxic waste in my body. Now eat your lobster tails.
I need to lose some weight. I'm gonna Uber eat some McDonald's or something.
Yeah, it's hard to walk when you're fat.
Okay. Just lock the door. Oh man, I'm in my room and I finally get to enjoy some McDonald's.
Why is the door locked? Open this door!
I'm coming.
Open the bloody door!
Oh, okay.
Lobster tails!
No, I don't want any more lobster tails.
Yes, lobster tails.
No, I'm full. I don't want any lobster tails.
What? Do I smell bloody McDonald's in here?
No, that's just my fart. I farted.
No, that's not what a lobster tail fart smells like. I'm coming in to check your room.
No.
Here I go.
Oh, I gotta hide my McDonald's.
Well. What have we got here?
This is really old. I was gonna throw it away.
No, I wouldn't know. Because all McDonald's food looks disgusting. And since it's over a month old, you wouldn't mind if I threw it away for you, would you?
No, you could throw it away, but
All right, there we are.
But what am I supposed to eat?
Your lobster tails!
But I don't want any more lobster tails.
Well, it's a delicacy and people would kill for it.
Mario.
So
He's like
eat your
14.
lobster tails.
I hate Gordon Ramsay. I'm tired of eating lobster tails. I want McDonald's. Oh, I really miss Chef Pee-Pee. At least I wasn't fat because I would never eat because he sucked.
Would always
I
get
have
you
to find a way to get rid of Gordon Ramsay. But my dad will never fire him because my dad loves lobster tails. I have to call Chef Pee-Pee and ask him for some help.
Free pickup keeps your holidays moving.
Some help. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
Don't run me! Wait, Junior, is that you? Wow, you fat. What happened to you?
Gordon Ramsay cooks delicious food every night, so I got really